What in the jeebers is going on out there?
What the hell? This is New York.
Building roofs. Hello. Oh, what's up, boss?
Okay, what's up? Morning.
Yeah, morning.
How's everything okay?
Everything's beautiful.
Okay.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Emma and Dad. Everyone around the world. We're going this way. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's definitely different than AC.
Sorry, Mom. We got a little sunburnt yesterday, but it's our last day in Africa. And we fly out in a couple hours.
No sunscreen today, Mom.
Shall we? They don't sell
Try it.
sunscreen in Africa because they all have dark skin.
But we used y'all, Mom. We were good boys.
But at least we're in Stone Town and we have a few more hours, so we're gonna walk through and show some more visuals because it is, we realized, one of the most interesting places we've ever been. So rock with us and enjoy. Like,
Mana kata hayeleke, mana kata kita kapag kumbayo kita kita
what's up, bro?
Ben pizza.
We've spotted a KC crew.
Hey, God. Welcome.
What's up, bro? Thank you. Beauty Saloon.
Hello.
Was? Machen was? Some cookies.
Yeah.
What do we got here? Those are some nice pillars.
Scaffolding.
Scaffolding? Ah, because they're fixing that?
Yeah. So did you see the other thing we ran under?
Yeah.
It looked just like that, and it was like their scaffolding. And then they just have a bunch of tree branches that go over. And then, yeah.
These doors
pretty
are
funny.
dope though. Where are we right now? These bikes are dope too. Yo, boss. iPhone Gape. iPhone 7. Yeah, Honda Click, baby. Got some more hood babies doing gangster shit. Oh shit, everybody start running. Oh, they got a sports store. Get some soccer balls. Ooh, basketball hoop. Dude, we need that.
We should have got that like right when we got to Africa.
What's going on up there? Unlimited kitties around here. Going this way?
No, this guy's about to run us over.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We got the street food. Got the corn here. Ooh, sick Land Rover. Oh, this is a beautiful building. Woo! Ash!
Never sit here. You don't never sit. Look women here. Wait. Yeah. You can see left and right. You are going forward, right, not left.
Forward, right?
If you want to go there,
Yeah.
there's two roads here.
Okay.
One is go this direction, one is forward. Therefore, you can take right hand for us. Airport. Okay? Can you show it? Let's go show you. Let's go show.
Are we going to Luukman?
Look, man, here. I
Okay,
can show you.
okay.
Man, I don't want to make you walk all the way.
Where from here?
Man,
Where from?
we're from America.
Thank you.
Just show us
Yeah, thank you.
Just show us the street, man.
I like it when we come here.
Just keep going. Everybody start running. Remember this last night? I remember this internet cafe. We'll get some work done. These are the dollar dollars, people. These are like the song towels of Zanzibar, and they all have wood grain, and they cost $1. Typical tourist sunglass guy. And you get some? Cool.
Yeah, mine's broke.
We could arrange that. We got some apples. We got a school bus. British school. Ice cream man.
Persian unit.
Oh, is that a blind guy? Sweet. Yeah, that's where we went last night. We got the taxi stand right here.
Coming to talk about.
We got a nice intersection. Oh yeah, see that's like the first real street bike I've seen out here. Yeah. Got some tourists getting a little tour. Stone Town. It's Stone Town. Is this it? No, that's Al Jabri.
Daqui coisa Mungu pale.
Is taking us to Luukman?
Yeah,
You know Luukman?
yeah.
Ah. What they got in here? Oh, they're making some stew.
Yeah,
Oh.
$141.
$141. Oh, okay. Doing some wood craftsmanship. That'd be funny if it was. Doing some bed work. Oh yeah, classic. What the fuck? Radio. Oh. Knives, lights, power strips, and locks. Get your safety on. That's what that store's called. Get safe.
Okay, it's one big maze, huh?
This place is one big maze. You said it, Case. It's called Maysville. They should change the name. I'm about to go apply for that.
There's probably no map at all. I feel like we were just here.
Excited to get some coffee. Yeah, me too. I love palm trees. Another safety store. They just got everything you need. Chargers, knives, bags, headphones, headlamps. They got scissors.
Look at those claws.
Oh, look at those boom boxes. Ah, okay, here. Okay, pole. Hakuna Matata.
Google Maps is not, you just get a guy.
Yeah, just get a guy, guys. Just grab a guy. They're happy to walk you.
They're all over the place.
Guys are everywhere, I tell you.
I know very well the Stone Town here.
Eh, very well. We know Stone Town.
Everywhere. We'll have no
Stone Town, boa.
Stone Town, eh?
Stone Town is a challenge in your directions.
I've been here, Stone Town. So you know Stone Town, I've been here, Town. So
Where are you taking us right now?
friends of friends,
Where are you taking us?
sometimes sailors, I see, sometimes the fishermen, no come with the water. Yeah.
Are you taking us to the restaurant?
He's taking us the tour way.
Yeah, no problem. I can tour is okay. No problem.
Very nice.
That's the best kind of door right there. That's the Stone Town door. It's pure stone. School. It's like Madonna Elementary. Oh, you got some ice cream? Filling up some more.
Get us there in 2 seconds, we'll pay you extra.
Pole. Hakuna Matata, bro. Oh, no.
Deal's done.
Woo. Ooh, look at that freshie.
Oh, look at that.
Kind of. Okay. Here we have Luukman. Oh, sorry, excuse boss.
And then, what is that? What is that?
Oh, those are those fat things Blake would make?
The wrap thing. That. What is it?
What's up, bro?
Yeah, cool. How are you?
Crazy to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
Diani.
Yeah.
Oh, we know you from Diani, yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey. They're auctioning the fish. I've seen it before in the Philippines. But yeah, let's go check it out. Oh.
I see the snackfish. That big snackfish.
Snakefish? Holy shit.
Sala sila moja, sala sila mbili, sala sila tatu, sala sila nne, sala sila tano, sala sila sita, sala sila saba, sala sila nane, sala sila tisa, 40, 40, moja, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, yes.
We have a customer.
Nani?
40,000. For which one? 40,000 for which one? Oh, that one?
No,
Oh, that one.
the squid.
Oh, 20,000 for all this. 40,000.
Fall squid.
$28 US.
Like that.
Yeah. Look at this shit.
How do you call this?
Maybe like an eel? Eel.
We call it snackfish.
Snakefish.
Daniel, tu es nuevo.
The first one. Where's the squid?
Oh, that's a big motherfucker.
Sorry, I did come
This guy's just gutting over there. It's just- Wow. That's what you call fish business. Fish business. Shark.
Yeah, it's very funny.
Trying some shark.
Yeah, they come from the shell.
And here they're cleaning big fish.
That is Malin. Malin is that.
Oh, so in the bags. Oh, Jesus Christ. I just got hit in the face with some scales.
Malin.
Marlin? Oh shit, some big fat marlin I just got hit in the face with. Spice market.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your finest spice?
We have about three, which you can find them here. You know, the vanilla, pure saffron, and nutmeg.
Spice Islands, yeah?
Yeah. At the same time here, we have a chef. If you tell me this chef, do you know the chef?
What is this shape, guys?
Come on, tell me. How it look like?
Oh, Zanzibar.
Yeah, you're right.
Ah, yeah.
Bit high.
They're strong?
They are high a bit.
High price.
High the price, yeah.
Ah, okay.
This one is too strong. You know, in Zanzibar, some ladies, when they want to get married, they're ashamed. So their family, they make porridge of this, and then when they drink, the shame go away.
Oh, the shame go away.
Yeah,
Wow.
they don't feel shame again for this, nothing.
Ah, good. The spice is nice. Oh, and then we have all these. Rock. Dollar. Oh, this is deep. The Whole Foods market over here. I got the avocado, pineapple. Oh, sorry. Secret shop, yeah?
It is. Because, you know, in a long time, they are not allowed to do
The selling?
selling.
Could they need a license or something? They need a, yeah.
In the evening time, they pay it for. They pay for the place. See the stool?
Yeah. We're in the thick of it, Casey. Exclusive tour, bro.
Why are you taking me?
This is how you get into the thick of it. Thick of that stew right there. Business.
My necklace,
That's my
man.
side life.
Yeah, Africa.
Bracelets, guys. Pretty much the most luxurious shopping center you've ever seen in your life. Thank you, boss. Fresh.
We're good.
They love to say fresh. Okay, here we go. Ginger spice. Oh yeah, fresh. Fresh cakes there. Africa chain, the gangster shit.
Ana, mletee wewe.
Photo okay?
Africa with the wood or with the like
Like wood.
with the
Yeah.
picture or no picture?
No, no picture like this or like anything, just
Well,
Africa
that's
shape, you know?
Like this one.
Africa. This is
Yeah.
Africa.
Oh, that's yeah. Kind of Africa. Wood would be better actually if you know where to find one.
Yeah. I have this stuff I made Africa.
Just got Africa chained up. Got this one custom. So if you guys want to come here and get this custom chain, it's the best one I could find in this whole town. You guys can come see Ali. Thank you, Ali. The drop pin is in the description below. Yes. See you guys.
They got a number of them.
Cool. Excuse boss. Wow, that's some crazy masks and shit. Oh, there's the Africa chain.
Then they got the smaller ones. But they only got them in the bead chain.
They got chains in here, people.
Chain gang up in there.
The big bead chain.
Yeah. This is where it's at.
Let me look in here real quick. This is what we're talking about. Whoa, dude, this guy has the most African carvings I've ever seen. Holy titulos.
This is the jack.
Flip flops. What you need, we got it.
You come and look the paint.
Do they do the same stuff?
If you want, you can do. He's really artist. Everything is see. The guy is
Jumamosi takalini.
I like beautiful.
Jumamosi lakini usimwambie mtu naenda
He's
kivyangu.
good. He's good if he's
So
around.
is this a different place than the
Naenda
last place?
kivyangu tu
It's a
Jumamosi.
different one.
Do they still ship?
Huh?
Do they still ship
Yeah,
from
he
here?
do.
Could I get his card too?
Ante, una kadi ya majeshi? Jibu hapo mwenyewe majeshi. Wewe muda ujui ulivyokuwa, muda mali. Zanipitia. Ndakupitia ungepitia. Jambo. Habari. Salama sana.
You tracking it? Where we going?
What?
I don't know how it's small.
How do you say it?
It's really big.
Bitter. Oh, okay. Man, take a photo. Can you carry me? I'm tired of walking. I'm in love with the cocoa.
Do you recognize the place?
Man, this place is amazing, bro.
Stone Town.
Stone Town. It's crazy.
About 15th century.
The buildings are crazy. It's a very old place. Like, yeah. So like how much is accommodation here, like the average apartment for average person? How much they pay for rent?
For a month, you pay like 300,000.
300,000? So like $150 US. Yeah, like, okay.
For a month? For a month.
For a month for average Stone Town residents? I see.
Some friends, if I found, if they want an apartment, they get for cheaper.
Yeah. Oh, you can share rooms, everything. Yeah.
Here's the place which you tell me.
Yeah, okay. This is the corner, yeah? Yeah, this is where we started today. Jaws Corner. Why is this Jaws Corner? Because of this? Lots of fruit here. I might want to get a snack. Oh yeah, we're real close to home. Make free international phone calls, please.
You want to make a call?
Am I there? Yeah, I do. Okay, guys. Thanks, Hassa, for the little walk around tour around Stone Town.
You're welcome.
One of the, like I said at the beginning of the video, one of the most amazing places I've really ever been. I think this video will bring some tourists to Stone Town.
They are most welcome.
I don't doubt it, since I have a lot of Kenyan fans now. Make your trip out to Stone Town. It's pretty cool. Bring your camera, bring your iPhone 7, whatever you have. And
Karibu Zanzibar.
I'm sure you'll see this guy in Zanzibar because he will find you. So enjoy, guys. See you soon.